Hey, what's up everyone? Jay here, and in this video I am going to show you how to quickly, efficiently, and professionally make YouTube banners, channel art, YouTube thumbnails, and you can also create featured blog posts, infographics, and everything in between with this software I'm using. I use this on a daily basis. I highly recommend it. If you like what you see in this video and you feel this is something you can use for your business or your YouTube channel, click the link, the first link directly below in the video description box. There'll be a discount code, and it'll bring you over to this software I'm discussing in this video today, and it is called Visme. There's also be a link in the upper right-hand corner of this video itself where you can also access it as well. So let's dive in to this video, and let me show you how to create some cool YouTube channel art, YouTube banners, like I said, YouTube thumbnails for your videos, and everything in between. These are some of the projects I used to create YouTube thumbnails, and a lot of it is for featured blog posts on my blog. If you want to stop in and check that out, it's jaysonlinereviews.com. And these are all some of the featured posts I created literally within minutes using this software. I love using the software. It's really fun. It's easy, and it helps my business, grow a lot. Love using it. But I'm going to show you how to do this YouTube channel art here real quick. So let's dive in. I have the Visme business plan. What you got to do now here is once you're logged into your account, you can try this software out for free as well. Take it for a test drive, see how you like it. Once you're logged in, you're going to see this dashboard here. You're going to click on Create New. You're going to click New Project, and then you're going to go over to More. You can see you got presentations, infographics, documents, charts, graphs, printables, web graphics, social graphics, video/GIFs. More customized. You can literally create any kind of graphic that you need. You can even create business cards with this software. It's really useful and fun to use and easy to use. With that being said, you click on the More button here, and it's going to take you over to this screen where it says presentations, infographics, documents. You can read on your screen here. And we're going to click on the search button here, and we're going to look for YouTube. Or you could type YouTube in here. And this is going to pop up. Presentations, web graphics, documents. And there's some other options for YouTube here as well. See this categories? It says YouTube channel art, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube video ads. You can create videos without you even talking with this software. It's really cool. You can make a presentation. You want them to click on the link at the last part of the presentation. You can say click on the link below in the video description box. So you can actually do presentation tutorials on YouTube without even talking, which is cool, by using those YouTube video ads. You can also upload your own voice to the YouTube video ads and do it that way. Right now I'm going to create the YouTube thumbnails. Here's the channel art. You can create your banners and all that good stuff. And that's the sizes right there. I'll take you through that. And I'm going to show you real quick how to use the YouTube thumbnail one, because I'm going to be making one for this video you're watching now. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this software. So you got a blank template. And here's where some of the options you can see here. So you can use any of these options and use that as it is and then edit it from there. Or you can use a blank tab. I'm using the blank tab for this one. You can see how they're all professional, into the wild, depending on what niche you're in. If you're in the travel niche, this is a good one. Discover Tokyo, photography. They got summer vibes, new car, photography, computer repair, cooking, French recipes, football, surfing, massage therapy, baking, business, mindset. There's different ones on that. And they keep adding to it. But what I like to do is I do the blank template. Click edit. This is going to pop up. So we're going to left click here with the mouse, delete the blank where it says blank template, and we're going to make the YouTube thumbnail for this particular video you're watching right now. How to create YouTube banners quickly, efficiently, . See if I spelled that right there. I'll have to double check. And professionally. In minutes. Put an exclamation point. Now what I want to do is I want to center this a little more. So all you got to do is click the left button on your mouse. It'll highlight it and you can move it up and down. Just hold it and you can move it up and down where you want. And we're going to get it about there's about centered. And we're going to see how the backgrounds look. I'm going to adjust it from there. I want this bold. And it's got the Roboto text, which looks decent. I like using the Anton one. There's a ton of options here to choose from. This is just my favorite. I think it stands out. And we're going to change the color. We're going to go with red. And we'll play with them from there. So now I got my title of my video. And we are going to, next we're going to go to the photos. Right now you got the layouts, basics, graphics, photos, data, media, theme colors, my files, apps. And you can see all these call to action, my blocks, diagrams, graphics and text, headers and text and all that good stuff. So you got a lot of options to use here. Quickest and easiest way to do this, you only need 2 of these really. Click photos. And we're going to click on YouTube. This video is about YouTube banners, but we're just going to put YouTube in it. So we want a nice background revolving around YouTube that sticks out. We're going to try, this one will probably look good with that red heading I got. And we're going to click, they got an option to add it to canvas and set as background. I'm going to set it to the background. You can see how cool that looks, and everybody knows it's YouTube. It's on a phone. You got the YouTube play button, and we're going to move this up to the top here. And it's basically done. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. It's at 110 now. We're going to go to 130, see how it looks. Yeah, that's a little better. And then we are going to go with the cutouts. See if I can find something else to put in here. Nothing for YouTube. We're going to delete that. And we're going to make something stand out here. These are my images I got here that I've saved. You can save your images, which is really cool. So you can come back to them later. You got a favorite image that you like. You can come back to it and insert it in whatever you're creating, whatever kind of graphic you're creating. And quickly and easily. So let's find... I got a couple in mind that I might want to add here. I'm going to try to do this real quick. We can add a cheetah. Cheetah's quick because you're adding the banners quickly and efficiently. I can even add a cheetah to this, how it looks. Everybody knows cheetahs are the fastest animals on Earth. And look how cool that looks. That's a cutout. So they got cutouts here you can use under photos. I'll go back and show you exactly how to get to it again. But you got the cheetah here, and I'm going to put either this girl or this guy out here with their mouths open. That kind of stands out, draws attention to my video, because inevitably you want to get clicks and views on your video. So you make more money with your video or drive it to whatever affiliate offer you're promoting. That's the whole name of the game. So you want your thumbnail to stand out as well as your banners and all that good stuff. We can do her or him. Let's see here. You can add his new image or replace selected image. This is kind of funny, this guy here. It's like, oh my God. So now I got a cheetah here, and I got this guy with the mouth open here. And then you got this one's a nice one too, this girl here. See which one looks better. We're going to add the girl. Make it smaller. Line it up perfectly. As good as you can get it. So that looks pretty good, and that's done. Now all we got to do now, copy our title. Go over to where it says blank template, YouTube channel art. You got to change the name of it because that's how it's going to be indexed in the search engines. You want the name of your graphic. so it can, you can get traffic from your graphic as well. Paste, then you click enter, saved it, you're done. So now I got a nice little YouTube. This is for my YouTube video. I actually went kind of slow. This is how easy it is to use this software. Visme is awesome. Like I said, if you like this, check it out. First link in the video description box. You'll use it every day in your business. It's absolutely, I love it. It's fun to use, and it's just a good software to have in your back pocket, especially if you do run any kind of business online. You're an affiliate marketer or what have you. Like I said, if you run any kind of business online, super handy tool to have in your back pocket. Then you're going to click, this button here is blacked out, but there's a download button right here. And you're going to choose your format. JPG, PNG. I always use JPG, but you can use PNG. You can share it as a document, PDF, video, present offline. Ton of options with this software. You can even download as high resolution. I just leave it normal, and I'll click download. Generating a JPG of my image. Now this image is going to get scanned by my software. Make sure it's safe. It does that for everything. I use McAfee. I'm sure your software probably does the same thing. And it's open and it's done, ready to download. Now when I upload this video to YouTube, which I'm going to do in a minute, I'll have this YouTube thumbnail to use as my YouTube thumbnail for this particular video you're watching. That's it. That's done. Now I'm going to show you one more thing, and then I'm going to end this video. I don't want it to get too long. We're going to go back to Visme here. We're going to click Create New. New project. More. Same steps again. We're going to go over to YouTube. We're going to go to YouTube channel art, because this is mostly about creating banners on YouTube. This was a thumbnail one. It's all the same steps, though. Click YouTube channel art, and you're going to get a bigger one that you can modify, the settings, the size of it, and all that good stuff. These are all the different thumbnails, channel arts that you can use for this particular setting. And they got different ones for this one, too. Business 101, colors, start your business today. As you can see, as I'm scrolling down, they got a makeup one. Dog one, Oliver's Adventures, healthy eating, air museum, traveling, skateboarding, music, into the wild, summer vibes, coffee break, photography. They got a bunch of cool, even baking, a bunch of cool preset ones that you can use, and they add to it pretty regularly. And if they don't have what you're looking for, just click blank template. And then do the steps I just showed you. Real easy. Go to the photos, and you can create whatever YouTube channel art you want to do in literally minutes. Excellent software to have in your back pocket. If you haven't tried it out, check out the free trial in the link below. There is a discount link too if you decide to buy it. And that's it. Like I said, it's a useful product. I use it every day in my business, and I wouldn't be without it. It's one of my favorite things to use on a daily basis. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button as well. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.